Read this. What does this say?
Brush my teeth.
Good. What
Wow.
do you want?
I want a cookie.
What don't you want?
I want fish.
I.
I don't want fish.
Do you want cake?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you want salad?
No, I don't.
Okay. What is this?
Nut. Oh. Jam. Jam. Look. My name is May. This is my family. This is my father. He is in the kitchen. This is my mother. She is in the living room. This is my brother David. He is in the bathroom.
One more time.
Bedroom.